Think kangaroos are just cute jumpers. Meet the red kangaroo, the largest of them all. They can stand as tall as a human, reaching up to 6 feet. That's taller than most doorways. Males are easily recognizable with their reddish-brown fur, while females are a bit smaller and sport a bluish-gray coat. Red kangaroos are true giants of the marsupial world, and their powerful build reflects their impressive size. They are incredibly strong and perfectly adapted to life in the harsh Australian outback. The red kangaroo is a muscular animal with a powerful build. Its strength is evident in every movement it makes, showcasing its dominance in the wild. It has a pear-shaped body with a long, strong tail. This unique body shape helps it maintain balance and agility in its rugged environment. Its large hind legs are perfect for hopping. These powerful legs allow it to cover great distances with each bound, conserving energy while traveling. Each foot has only 2 long toes, tipped with sharp claws. These claws are essential for gripping the ground, providing stability and traction. These claws help with balance and traction while bounding across the landscape. The rugged terrain of the outback is no match for the red kangaroo's agility. The kangaroo's tail is strong and muscular, acting as a counterbalance during movement. It provides additional support, especially when making sharp turns or sudden stops. It can also be used as a 5th leg when the kangaroo is walking or standing still. This versatility makes the tail an invaluable tool for the kangaroo. Its fur is short and dense, providing insulation from both the heat and the cold. This adaptation ensures the kangaroo can thrive in the extreme temperatures of the outback. Red kangaroos are social animals and live in groups called mobs. A mob usually consists of a dominant male and several females with their young. The dominant male will fight other males to protect his position in the mob. These mobs are not permanent structures, and their composition can change as resources fluctuate. During droughts or periods of food scarcity, mobs may disperse to search for better feeding grounds. Red kangaroos live in the hottest parts of Australia. So how do they stay cool? They are most active in the cooler hours of the early morning and late evening. During the hottest part of the day, they rest in the shade of trees or bushes. Red kangaroos have another trick up their sleeve: evaporative cooling. They lick their forearms and chests, spreading saliva which cools their skin as it evaporates. This clever adaptation helps them survive even in the most extreme temperatures. Section 5. Bounding across the outback. Red kangaroos are famous for their bounding leaps. These iconic creatures of the Australian outback are a marvel to watch. They can jump incredible distances, up to 30 feet in a single bound. This ability allows them to cover vast areas quickly, and they can reach speeds of over 35 miles per hour. This speed is crucial for escaping predators and finding food. Their powerful hind legs propel them forward, while their tail acts as a rudder for balance. This unique adaptation is key to their survival. Surprisingly, kangaroos can also swim. This lesser-known skill is quite fascinating. While not their preferred mode of transport, they will enter water to escape predators or cross rivers. This shows their incredible adaptability. They propel themselves through the water with their powerful hind legs, using their tail for steering. This makes them versatile in various environments. Section 6. A grass-eating specialist. Red kangaroos are herbivores, meaning they eat plants. Their diet consists mainly of grasses and herbage found in their arid habitat. They have adapted to survive on tough, low-nutrient vegetation. Like other herbivores, kangaroos have a special digestive system that helps them break down cellulose, the tough fiber found in plants. Their stomachs contain bacteria that ferment the plant material, extracting the maximum amount of nutrients. Section 7. Raising a joey in the pouch. Red kangaroos have a unique way of reproducing and raising their young. Their reproductive process is fascinating and quite different from many other mammals. Like all marsupials, females have a pouch where they nurse and carry their underdeveloped offspring. This pouch acts as a safe haven for the joey as it continues to develop. After a gestation period of just 33 days, a tiny bean-sized joey is born. This newborn is incredibly small and vulnerable at birth. The joey crawls into its mother's pouch and attaches itself to a teat. Here it will find nourishment and protection. It will stay there for several months, drinking milk and growing. During this time, the joey will develop its muscles and fur, preparing for life outside the pouch. Red kangaroos exhibit embryonic diapause, meaning a mother can have an embryo on hold while another joey is developing in her pouch. This allows for efficient reproduction and ensures the survival of the species. Section 8. A thriving icon facing challenges. Red kangaroos are a symbol of Australia, and thankfully, they are not currently endangered. In fact, their population is quite large. However, they face challenges, including habitat loss due to agriculture and human development. Because of their large numbers, red kangaroos are sometimes culled. This means their numbers are controlled through a program of legal hunting. This practice is controversial, but it is deemed necessary by some to prevent overgrazing and protect agricultural land.